Hi guys, welcome back to your own channel guys. So we're gonna discuss about the forex pair where they gonna trade and how you have to trade the forex major pairs. Okay guys, first of all, our what we have discussed in previous euro versus USD, you can see that consolidate, and I have told you, if it will break, then this will be the your SL, and you can see that our second target almost reached. Almost means second target reach. After that only reversible has been came. So hope you have traded and you have booked your 70 to 80% somewhere here only at second target. Okay guys, after that fall came, you can see that exactly here only a strong buying candle has been we have seen. So right now what I am seeing is here also one of the major trend line is going on. You can see here like this. Okay guys, so I will do nothing, just I will shift these pending targets. Okay guys, you can join my telegram channel also. There I will update more and how chart behave and where you have to see the buying opportunity, that I will update there. Okay guys, we can see next major pair is GBP versus US dollar. You can see here guys, I have told you if it will take resistance, it doesn't take exactly resistance, then also if you have traded, okay guys, then also you have traded, you can see here at last exactly this point. If you have bought somewhere here, SL will be somewhere here. You can see that first target reach, second target reach. After that only consolidation phase happens. So if you have bought also, you have got very nice target. After that, this is the fake breakout you have seen. So I am somewhere here only, I have bought, and my SL will be the this red candle top. Okay guys, after that only short sell I have done. Okay guys, after that it comes back once again. This is the confirmation that it goes down. After that this is broken. You can see that within one candle how big has been trade has been came. Okay guys, after that also it taking resistance. So I'm pretty much sure that it came downside. So up till here only I have booked my all the profit. Somewhere here only this green candle only I have booked, because this red candle is enough to me to book my profit. So I have book all my profit, and hope you have also booked the profit and taken a bigger risk to reward. Okay guys, right now it is continuously consolidating. If once again goes take resistance, then your first target will be here guys. Second target you can take up till here only guys, small target. Third will be here, fourth target. Okay guys, these are the four target you can go it for guys. If in flow only it consolidate, then it breaks, then only you can go for these two target. And also I will update, go and check out my telegram channel also guys, there I will update for you. Okay guys, if it continuously consolidate and take upside momentum, then you can go for your first target guys. This will be the your second target, this will be the third, this will be the your fourth, and this will be the fifth target. Okay guys, you have to book your second target only 70 to 80% guys. So you have been taken a safe zone. Okay guys, these are the target for GBP versus USD. We can see next forex pair is Euro versus GBP. You can see here guys, I have told you this is the one of the channel what it's going on right now. Okay guys, exactly this is not channel I have made. I will just I will tell you, this is the trend line, and this upper trend line I have made. After that consolidation happened, you can see here exactly here only bullish candle has been made. Okay guys, if you have not taken also, I have not taken this, frankly I am telling you. After this breakout also I have not taken. After that this breakout happened because of this bullish three candle I am seeing. After that it came downside once again. So this green candle, at this green candle only it's making. So after that somewhere I have buyed it, and my SL will be the somewhere this green candle. Okay guys, this green candle top somewhere. Okay guys, just missed. My SL will be trigger only just missed by the just few very minimal points is there. After that you can see that one-sided momentum has been I have captured. So somewhere here only I have booked my whole profit, because this green candle is enough for me, because my SL is very small. Somewhere here only at this green candle only forming here only. So I have bought here only, and my SL will be the here. So very minimal points, that only it gains upside momentum and gives us very nice risk to reward. Okay guys, now how you gonna trade, we can discuss that. Okay guys, so if you can see here guys, this will act as one of the major resistance area guys. Okay guys, this will act as a major resistance area somewhere here only you can okay, this is the selling zone area, so act as a resistance, and one of the major supporting area will be the somewhere here. Okay guys, so this is the no trading zone. In between this, if it break take support, okay guys, it will take support here, your first target, second target. After this will break, you can expect bigger momentum, third, fourth and fifth, five target. Okay guys, I will update in Telegram channel also guys, go and check out that too. If it came downside taking resistance, then you can expect the downside momentum, first target, second, third. This is enough for three target in downside. Okay guys, so it maybe gives us our consolidation phase also here, so you can see and trade it in we can see for US dollar versus Canadian dollar. What we have discussed is that if it will break and take support, then it maybe goes upside momentum. Okay guys, I'm frankly tell you somewhere here only I have bought this. Okay guys, in this bullish candle only I am somewhere here only buy, and I have kept my SL somewhere this green candle at midpoint. Okay guys, after that this is continuously consolidating here, somewhere here only I am seeing that double top has been made at 5 minutes time frame, because I am seeing, because this will wanted to make a big move, so it taken a support and goes upside, but it is continuously here only taking. After that I am somewhere here only at this red blue candle. I have told you here only I am exited, not taken my SL. In that only I have taken my SL, smaller SL, and exited, because of I am seeing that it came once again downside. That's why I am not entering this. After that it is taking resistance somewhere here only guys. So what happened is that I am not taken any here trade. After that it came once again, so this red candle is forming. After that I am kept my SL at this blue candle, and I had taken my trade first, second and third. All three target has been achieved. At second target only 70% I have booked. This red candle is forming. After somewhere here only mid I have booked 70%. After that my whole profit I have booked at third. Okay guys, after that only you can see that this is the price action. After this break you have to buy somewhere here, and your SL will be here. You can see that one-sided momentum, but it's okay, nothing will be worried about it. So we can discuss how you can trade for this week. Okay guys, so on this week, this is very important level. Okay guys, so this time if once again it take resistance, okay guys, take resistance, then you can expect that your first target, second target, third, fourth, and this will be a final fifth target. Okay guys, if it broke, then you can expect a bigger momentum, but it has to cross. Okay guys, this is the no trading zone. After that only you can take your first target, second target, third and even fourth target guys. Fourth target will be the open for you upside momentum. In downside also you can see first, second, third, fourth, fifth target, five targets. Okay guys, we can see for next USD versus CHF. You can see here exactly what I have told you. If once again it take here, brooks and take support, then you can go for it. So you can see that our first target reach, almost our SL will be hit, but few points only it also triggered. After that consolidation happened, you can see that exactly our reached, and this is the big red candle. Okay guys, so our first target reach, second target reach, third target reach, this is the enough for us. After that only our reached, so I am booked somewhere here only at this green candle only, not this red candle. So here only I have triggered my all profit and I have taken profit. After that it came once again downside. This has been made W pattern, so I will show you how You can see here W pattern, it came downside but it broke. Okay guys, this is the breaking area. You can see here, this is the breaking area. This is the very important thing you can check out guys. So if it breaks once again, I am seeing that it came once again downside, so I will just remove it and you can get clarity. Somewhere here only at this green candle only I have bought, and I have kept my SL at this green candle low because I know that it came once again downside, so my SL will be triggered. So I have kept my SL will be somewhere here only because I know that it's making continuously a week. So 1 week will come and my all the SL will be hit. So that's why I am kept my SL at this portion, and this is the very big. I am not get very big risk to reward. Only 1:3 I have got, but it also good risk to reward because nothing is better than something, guys. Okay, guys. Every time not get 1:5, 1:10. It's not important, guys. It's important get if you are getting 1:3 or 1:4 also, that also better choice. Okay guys, this is the continuously resistance area it is facing. So what we can see is if it take us somewhere here support, then you can expect your first target, second, third, and you can expect your 4 targets. Okay guys, these are the 4 target in upside momentum if it take resistance. Okay, then you can go for first target, second target, third. This will be the fourth target, and this will be the final fifth target. Okay guys, and I'm telling you, you can short right now only. Okay guys, your SL will be somewhere here. Okay guys, 98975. Okay guys, this is the very small stop loss, so you can take trade. Especially I can take trade if possible, so I am somewhere here only I will short. So small, very small SL will be there for me. So if that trigger also, I am comfortable because my loss is very minimal. I will take one more trade anywhere, so that's why I take this trade. So if you like, so you can also take this trade. Okay guys, I will just mark it up. So at uh, at this point, just a second, it's not coming exactly. Okay, this is the point, guys. Just mark it up, guys. Okay guys, I will just mark it up somewhere here. Okay guys, my cell will be somewhere here. I'm sure